Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm going to do a real quick review of the site that I have been using and loving called Cash for Surveys, and this has been helping me make some quick money, some easy money, which everyone needs a little extra cash. And I'm in college, so I'm on that ramen diet, and yeah, so this has been a lifesaver. I get to go out, I get to have fun, I get to go shopping, and not have to really worry about where my money's coming in and how's it coming in. Basically the site works this way: you sign up and you get to take surveys and they pay you for them. These surveys come straight to your email, so you don't have to worry about anything like going in and checking in on the website or anything like that. You go in to your email, you'll have a list of like surveys that you can check out, and you click on them, you take the surveys, and you get paid. That's basically it. And it's super awesome to be able to go to work in your pajamas. You know, you don't have to get out of bed. You could just sit there and just do your thing, and you don't even have to do tons and tons of surveys if you don't really want to. And I will just get on, I will do a few surveys, won't take me very long, get paid, and go shopping basically. So I go and get my makeup, I get my hair cut, trimmed up, colored, anything like that. I get to pay my bills, my rent. That helps a lot. So me being a college student, this is such an amazing thing. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be able to use this, so definitely check it out. The thing I love about them is that you don't take any surveys that you don't pertain to you, so they won't pay you at the end, which I have done before. I've tried other sites and they will make you take this like hour-long survey, and at the end it'll be like, sorry, you don't qualify for a survey. They already screen it for what you need to do, and they'll send you surveys that you will be guaranteed to get paid for, and that's something I love about this site, so definitely check it out. I know my friend's been asking me, she's like, girl, where have you been getting all this extra cash? And I told her, I was like, oh, I get it from Cash for Surveys, and she's like, what is that? So I told her about it, and now she's doing it, and now we both get to go shopping together and not look like broke college students. So yeah, thanks guys. Bye.